Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP ProBook 450 G9 model. And in today's video I'm gonna show you guys step by step how you can open it up and how you can remove or replace or upgrade the RAM on your laptop. We have upgraded this laptop up to 32 gig with no problem. They do get shipped with an up to 16 gig version. This one does have a 16 gig RAM, and I'm going to show you guys how to access it and how to upgrade or remove it. By upgrading the RAM, you're not going to change anything in the system. There's no configuration needed to be done or anything like that. It's just plug and play. As soon as you plug the new RAM in, when you power on, it might take 5 to 10 seconds for it to boot up. And if it doesn't boot up after 5 to 10 seconds, you want to power it off, forcefully holding it down for 10 seconds. And then you want to switch the RAM places and then power it on again with 5 to 10 seconds. I made a really short video to check your maximum RAM capacity for your laptop. You can check that link in the video description. In this video, we're just going to show you guys how to remove and how to replace. Alright, first thing first, you want to power off the laptop. Do not put it on standby. Make sure it's off completely. You want to flip it upside down, and we're going to grab ourselves the screwdriver set. I highly recommend this screwdriver set. They are from UFIXTEK screwdrivers. And this is the basic set that is just screwdrivers. There's a pro set that give you opening tools and stuff like that. We are going to be using a Phillips number 0 from this screwdriver. If you get the pro set, they give you opening tools. If not, grab yourself a guitar pick. Metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Well, with this two on hand, we're going to remove a few screws. And the only two removable screws are the front end of the laptop on the bottom. So we're going to remove these two. And the back ones we cannot remove because they have a little C-lock on them. The front ends are the short screws. Right. What does C-lock it does, it prevents from the screw coming out entirely. So you just have to rotate. And also it helps it for you to separate the bottom cover from the palm rest. So as soon as you open it, it just opens a gap between the covers right there. So that's what you want to do. You just want to twist them, few twists until the cover gets separated. And when you feel like it's really loosened up, that means it's ready to open it. You want to grab your opening tool, and then you want to stick it between the gaps in there. And just like that. Then you want to twist it. And you want to hear those click sounds. That's what you want to hear. You want to work yourself all around in the front end. And go to the corner, to the front. Right? And once you have the corner from here, now I'm going to lift it up. There's a tiny clips in the middle that holds from the battery side. So I'm going to bring it up like that, and it's going to pop the rest of the clips that are in the middle. One here and one right there. The 2, 3, 4 screw clips right there. So pretty much you want to grab it and pull it out from the side. And right away there, now we can see the inside of the laptop. The RAMs are under this shield right in here. So you want to pull this back. And you can see one RAM DIMM and second RAM DIMM right here. This is DIMM A and this is DIMM B. It's being covered by this. To remove the RAM or replace the RAM, you do not need to disconnect the battery at all. It's not absolutely not necessary. But if you do want to disconnect it, put your fingernails on the side of this white jack and then pull it back evenly. It's kind of hard, but bring it back evenly, just like that. Okay? And you can bring it up so it doesn't go back down. But if you want to put it back to get it back inside, make sure it goes inside the jack straight in. Don't put it sideways, and push it all the way inside the connector. To remove the RAM, it's really simple. All you want to do, you want to put your fingers on these triggers. There's two triggers in here too. See these triggers I'm talking about? And you want to pull them away from each other. And the RAM should pop out in 45-degree angle, just like that. And all you want to do, you just want to grab it and pull it back in 45-degree angle. You do not want to pull it towards the ceiling upward, otherwise you're going to break the RAM or the DIMM. So you just want to slide it this way back out. To put the RAM back in, these are DDR4, these 16 gig, 3200 millihertz, and you want to bring it down in 45 degree. Make sure the notch on the RAM matches the notch on the DIMM. In here is the same thing, goes in one way. If the new RAM has a sticker the other way around, if I try to put it in, it's not going to go through because the notches don't match right in there. So I have to flip, bring it in 45, and then you want to push it towards the motherboard, and you're going to feel this trigger open and close automatically. Again, to remove, bring it, remove it. In here is the same thing, bring it in 45, inside the jack, towards the motherboard. And that's how easy it is to remove or replace your RAM. And once you're done with that one, you have to put the bottom cover on because there's a tiny switch in here that has to be pushed down by the bottom case in order to be able to power on the laptop. So you're gonna put it on top, and you're gonna press where the batteries are. The fronts, you wanna pinch them really hard. The corners, you wanna hear those click sounds. And if you see any opening, just like this one in here, you just wanna pinch it together and really hard, it's gonna go to its place. Same thing on the other side. This one is being dropped here, so I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna pinch it, and it will go to its place. And last thing is to just tighten up the back screws on the bottom cover. Again, I hope you guys like this video. If it did help you guys, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And this is how you can upgrade your HP ProBook 450 G9 laptop.